Shalom, shalom. This brother Zephaniah with another episode of Getting Back to Your Roots. In the last video, I showed the seedlings growth and all that. And be as though I had put them in them single cell pots. You can see I had to try to get them into another enclosure, but I wasn't able to do it. So I went on and got creative and made something for them. I didn't have nothing offhand, and these seedlings needed an enclosure. They outgrew the enclosure, so I had to cut the lid open and then add to it and get creative and get them some more stability or whatever. Keep them warm. These seedlings will die. They will die very quickly. They're not kept with a certain amount of humidity and warmth. And that's what you gotta do. There's a lot in here. It's a lot in here. Turnips, greens, cabbage, beets, a whole lot of stuff. Shalom.